Hi guys, as promised, I wanted to create a Like to Know It tutorial. First, you're going to start by navigating to the App Store. Type in Like to Know It in the search bar and click the download button once you get to the app. When the app is done downloading, you're going to click on Open. And Like to Know It is going to open and show you some quick tutorials on how to actually use the app. First things first is you're going to search for me, ButFirstKisses, in the influencer search. Then you're going to be able to screenshot my images and shop alongside me. But wait, there's more, because if you're interested in a specific item, like a moto jacket in this example, you can search for items like that as well. The app is going to ask to access your photos and if you would like notifications. Click yes to both of these options to stay up to date with me and other influencers you follow. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I'm happy to go more in depth as needed, but happy shopping. And if you like videos like this from me, please give me your feedback and share. Thanks.